Hi, welcome to all. In this SEM, I am going to take numerical analysis 2. So, in numerical analysis 2, the first unit is how to solve the ordinary differential equations using numerical methods. So, let us see what is there in first unit. So, in first unit, let us see some basic definitions that related to ordinary differential equations and how to solve the initial value problems. To solve the initial value problems, so two steps are there. One is single step method, another one is multi steps method. So in single step method, so there are five methods are there. So first one is Picard's method, Taylor series method, and Euler's method, and Euler's modified method, and Runge-Kutta method. In multi steps method, only three methods are there. One is Adams Washburn and Adams Moulton character method, and methods for systems and higher order differential equations. Okay, so now let us see some basic definitions. So first, what is differential equation? So I think all of you know what is differential equations. So an equation involving dependent variable, independent variable, and derivatives of dependent variables with respect to the differential equation, respect to the independent variable is called differential equation. So these are some examples to the differential equations. So dy by dx plus 2y is equals to 0, and dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y is equals to 0. In differential equations, so there are two methods are there. So one is ordinary differential equations and another one is partial differential equations. Okay, so this is about differential equation. Now let us see what is ordinary differential equation. So ordinary differential equation involving one or two more dependent variables. So differential equations means an equation involving one or more dependent variables and only one independent variable, and derivatives of dependent variables with respect to the independent variables is called an differential equation. So this is the definition of differential equations. So these are some examples to the ordinary differential equations. Dy by dx plus 2y is equals to 0, and d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus qy is equals to r, and dy by dx plus dz by dx plus zy is equals to 0. So these are some examples for ordinary differential equation. Now let us see what is partial differential equation. So partial differential equation involving one or more dependent variables and one or more independent variables with respect to the dependent variables so is called partial differential equations. So these are the examples for partial differential equations. So dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y is equals to 0, and dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equals to 0. So these are some examples for partial differential equations. And similarly the order of differential equation. So the definition is the highest order derivative present in the given differential equation is called the order of differential equation. And degree of differential equation is the degree of differential equation is the positive integral power of the highest order derivative involved in it. So this is called degree of differential equation. So here there is one example is there. Here there is one example is there. So 3y minus 4x divided by dx plus 7y square plus 6y is equal to 0. For corresponding problem, so order is 1 and degree is also 1. So this is degree and order of differential equation. Now similarly, what is linear differential equation? So in the differential equation, the dependent variable or its derivative cannot be multiplied itself or squared. Such differential equations is called linear differential equation, otherwise non-linear differential equations. So these are some examples for linear differential equations. So d square by dx square plus n square x is equal to 0. So this is linear. And second one is equation 10 is y dash is equals to a naught x plus a1 xy. So this is non-linear. and second one is y double dash minus sin y is equals to 0. So this is also a non-linear. Okay, now what is initial condition? So initial condition means the constraints that are specified at the initial point. Once again, the constraints that are specified at the initial point. So this is called initial condition. So boundary conditions means the constraints that are specified at the boundary points. So constraint means conditions. Now let us see what is an initial value problem. So initial value problem means the differential equation together an initial condition with sorry the differential equation together with an initial condition. So this is called initial value problem. So this is an example for initial value problem. So dy by dx f of x comma y. So this is the problem. So along with the problem there is one condition, y of x naught is equals to y naught. So this is called initial value problem. So similarly the boundary value problem is the differential equation together with the boundary conditions is called boundary value problem. It is called boundary value. So this is the example for boundary value problem. What d square y by dx square plus p of x dy by dx plus q of x y is equals to r of x with the boundary conditions y of a is equals to a and y of b is equals to b. So this is some basic definitions. What is differential equation, what is the order, and what is the degree. So all these basics you are already learned. So you have to